Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy Pokemon called Bergmite. And let's just start by drawing this zigzag line underneath with 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to start going up this way. So you can vary this somewhat, going to a point at the top. We can continue this line on this side then by again drawing a variated line going up, but we're going to stop here initially because he's got this horn that's in the front. So right here, let's just draw a V-shaped line first, going down and then up, and then angle it going up right here. Alright, so now we're going to go across and finish off the top of its head. So right here, going behind this. I'm going to switch over to my thin marker at this point and finish off this horn. So I'm just going to taper that line a little bit and then connect these lines. So next we're going to give this more shape by drawing a line right here, and this just helps to show that it's got some form here where the front is somewhat triangular. Alright, so next we're gonna go ahead and draw a couple more lines that show the form better. So a line that goes down here and stop, and then resume it going down, and just vary this line and then back down, and another one here, and these just kind of show the edges of the form. Looks like an iceberg. Another one right here, maybe let's say draw one right here and then here. And once we color this, it'll also show the form more, look more three-dimensional. Next, let's draw the lower part of the body where the legs are. So right here, let's draw a V-shaped line first for the front leg, and then now we can start drawing the lower part of the body going up from here, and then his left front leg then is right here, and just connect it to the body. Alright, let's continue this line behind the front leg to the back and draw the rear leg. So coming off the body, down and back up. And now we can finish the body line right there. And notice that I used a different marker here that's a little bit thinner than that first marker. So by varying the lines, you'll make your drawing a lot more interesting. These are basically the same thick marker, but once more used, you get a thicker line. And I used a newer marker for this line just to get a thinner line. Alright, I'm going to go back to my newer marker here and start drawing the eyes. So right here, let's draw a circle. Or oval. And then over here we'll draw an oval because it's the farther eye. And switch over to my thin Sharpie for the inner part. So we've got our iris, or it could be his pupil. Alright, and then let's draw what I think is the pupil right there. Alright, so then we'll connect that with a mouth, just a V-shaped line. I'm just gonna taper some of these lines down here at the bottom, like right here. I'm just gonna make it a little bit thicker there to taper back to the back. Finally, I'm gonna use my thin pen just to add some more shadow lines that connect some of these other lines. Okay? And these just kind of indicate as well the different colors that you would get when you have a piece of ice. And I'm also going to draw a cast shadow line underneath the upper part, casting a shadow on the bottom here. And finally, I'm just going to draw another horn-like projection coming off the back here. And again, a shadow line. And that's it. This was Bergmite, an ice chunk Pokemon. I'm going to go ahead and color this to make it look a little bit more interesting. And thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye.